All right, so this is a fake lawnmower blade. I'm gonna put it in here. I see all kinds of videos on sharpening, right? We can use a file. Everybody bitches about that. Or we can use an angle grinder. Everybody bitches about this. This is not sharpening with an angle grinder. So you got sparks flying all over the place. You're not maintaining the manufacturer's angle, and you're just going to wreck the blade. You're taking up way too much material. What I got here today for us is a brand new Cub Cadet. Here's the tag, Cub Cadet 42 for my tractor. Now I've just sharpened these. They're brand new, but they're dull as hell. I mean, you couldn't cut your hand with them. So I'm going to show you how to maintain this bevel and make them sharp using an angle grinder. All you need is a 40 grit sanding pad, a magic marker, and an angle grinder. So keep the magic marker handy. And it's all with light passes. Super light passes. The key is to just make the paint disappear on this first one. That's all we're doing. Paint's gone. I'll stop. Marker out. Now, just paint the edge again. Paint the edge and lightly take it off. Once it's gone and you keep going, you're winging it. You have no idea what you're doing, how your angle is, if it's consistent. Just take the marker, apply it again across the blade. If you want this to go faster, get a fat ass marker. But whatever. Once the marker's on, make it go away. Once it's gone, stop. Add the marker. If you don't, you're changing the profile of the designed angle for mulching for this particular blade. Once it's on, hit it again. Remember, nice light passes. I mean, a little pressure, but it's not much. We're not removing that much material. What we want to get to, I figure the apex on this blade was probably almost, I don't know, a fat 16th at least. Put the marker on. Like I said, once the marker is gone, move on. Don't keep going. And that's I'm going to go one more time. So again, marker on. You can see the apex if you're sharpening like this in a vise. You can look right at it. Hit it again. And that's it. So this video took 4 minutes and 54 seconds to do, but those are the results. Okay? And it's sharp. I don't do a full huge burr, but I do have one. Remember, that's twice as sharp as the original. I mean, look at the original. Hell, that's 10 times sharper than the original. So that's it. Just go nice and easy with the marker, or go crazy. It's up to you. This way works really nice, and it makes usually the blade is balanced when I'm done, because you end up taking off identical amounts of material back and forth. Anyway, let me know what you guys think, or what you guys do. That's all I got.